A tattooed murder suspect hid his ink behind a layer of makeup.
But could the retrial he wanted backfire on him? Attorneys presented closing arguments today for a Spokane homicide suspect who tattooed a drawing of a murder weapon on his hip.
Michael Coombes is accused of shooting a man to death back in 2007, but he's getting a brand new trial this week because his conviction was overturned. KXLY4's Jeff Humphrey is here live now. And Jeff, the jury now has this case.
And Mike, this jury does not have the benefit of knowing that Michael Coombes actually pleaded guilty to this murder back in 2008. However, Coombes was not told that he couldn't earn any time off for good behavior during the first 20 years of his sentence, and so Coombes had to be prosecuted all over again.
This man right here, Michael Coombes, took a gun and shot a bullet into the head of William Nichols.
Today, prosecutors told the jury Michael Coombes really didn't have a good reason to commit murder. In fact, detectives were surprised that Coombes admitted shooting William Red Nichols in the first few hours after his arrest.
When asked why he shot Red, Mr. Coombes said he, quote, threatened my nephew and you don't with family.
The attorney defending Coombes took that thought one step further, saying not only is the prosecution's motive implausible, but the state has no evidence that Coombes fired the fatal shot.
No one claims to have witnessed Mike shoot Red. No one claims to have seen Michael Coombes in the vicinity at the time he was shot.
However, prosecutors say a bullet taken from the victim's body matches the gun found in Coombes' pocket the day he was arrested, that Coombes even has a tattoo of that same revolver on his hip.
On his body of a .38 Smith & Wesson. And you'll have that exhibit in evidence. That shows a little bit about the link that he must feel to this particular weapon.
Meanwhile, the victim's sister says a second murder trial has simply opened up old wounds, but feels that Coombes needs to face final justice.
To me, I think it was a bunch of young people that wanted to see what it's like to kill somebody.
Now, Michael Coombes was originally sentenced to 27 years as part of his plea agreement, but if he's found guilty as a result of this trial, he will likely face even more time in prison. The jury in this case continues the deliberations on Monday. Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.